so this is just a quick for your information. Again, you do not need to you could skip this video completely if you wanted to, but technically there is a formula for the present value, and it's given here. And you'll notice that all that happens is you get a negative exponent and P and A flop positions. And here's the reason for this. If you look at the PERT formula and you're trying to solve for this P variable, basically what you're doing is you're dividing both sides by, not the P, you're dividing both sides by the E raised to the RT. And so what would happen there is you would end up with A over E to the RT is equal to P. That would be like the most general formula for it, is that you would take PERT, solve for P. Now, you know that if you have something in the denominator, you can bring that up into the numerator, and then that will give you a negative exponent. So that's where they get this PERT formula converted to solving for the present value. So technically what you could do, instead of solving those equations that we did in the previous page, what you could do is you could say, okay, my A is 9,000, and then my R in this case would be 0.03, my time would be 2. But here's the thing. A lot of times students mix up, is it a negative sign? Is it not a negative sign? Where does the A go? Where does the P go? And a lot of students forget that negative sign. And that of course is going to give you a completely incorrect answer. So for that reason, I try to de-emphasize this method, but if you want to memorize an equation, you could memorize the equation. It will give you exactly the same answer as solving the equation.